Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, Makeup by Earn. Today is the Ipsy bag day. Yeah, back to my June bag when I said it has to be like a July 4th color, like, you know, red, white, and blue. It's not red, white, and blue. It's blue again. Ipsy really loves the color blue. Whoever is in charge of the makeup bag creation and design, they really like the color blue. But look at the makeup bag. Like, look at, wait, do you see it? Oh, it's so pretty. It's gorgeous. So yeah, I got 2 of them again, and I said we're gonna see next time if, you know, they send me the same stuff in the last 2 like they did before. And guess what? I got new stuff in both bags. So good. Ugh. So I got more stuff now. I won. Thank you, Ipsy. 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 So are y'all ready to check the first bag? Which bag y'all want to do? This one or this one? This one or this one? I think you want to do this one. And if you said this one, I'm sorry. So when I opened my bag, they had to put these to the side because, you know, this isn't gonna fit in a makeup bag. So these are face masks. They're paper masks, and I love these. Like, they make my skin feel so good, and they make it look really good when I do use them. So I highly recommend, if you like masks, try branching out, see how you like these. If you don't like them, okay, trash them, or, you know, hit me up and say, Erin, I don't want these. Do you want them? I'm gonna say yes. So be generous, you know, and then also be open-minded, and you know, just try new things out because it's really worth it. Okay, so we're gonna open the bag. We're gonna open the bag. So with this first bag, you know, they sent me this. Oh wow, okay. LOL. It fell out of the box. So they sent this to me, and you know, the box is really jacked up. Like, they sent it to me that way, but you know, I ain't tripping because it's makeup. And this is perfume. Let me tell you, I first opened this and I was really upset because it said not perfume. And I was like, okay, if it's not a perfume, then what is it? And I kept reading, and it was like the description of a perfume, but they're like, it's not a perfume. So I said, so what the heck is it? Then I realized, because my Aunt Shelly pointed it out to me, she was like, I think that's the name of the, you know, the fragrance, not a perfume. I was so upset when I found that out. I was like, okay, they're really childish for that. But then again, I'm really childish for not, you know, catching on to that was the name of it. But this is what it is. It's just a little sample. It smells really good too. I'm gonna spray it, and then I'm gonna smell it in front of y'all and say, oh my god, it smells great, because it really does. And I'm sorry you can't smell it. I'm really sorry. This is Juliette Has a Gun, and it's called Not a Perfume. So if you want to look it up, or if you want to go in store and see if you can find it there so you can see what it smells like, I highly recommend it because it's worth it. Then I got NYX Soft Lip Cream, and this is a really pretty color. I actually need to open it so that y'all can see. It's called, oh god, Paulo. So we're gonna open it so that y'all can see the swatches, because I'm surprised I didn't open it. Let's see the swatch. Ooh, this is really corally and pink. This reminds me of Jackie Anna. So I'm gonna swatch right there. That's a pretty color. It's pretty. I'd be scared to wear it, but watch. In a couple of months, I'll probably get really, really into colors like this and be like, oh, yep, that's my color. Because, you know, I love purples, and, well, dark purples and reds. So who knows? I hope I really do branch out to the pinks though, because they be really pretty. They are really pretty. But I don't know. I just be scared that it's gonna stand out too much. Says the person that loves blue makeup, right? The next item that I got is a tapered blending brush. And you know how I love my brushes, y'all. I love them so much. Like, they sent me so many of them. Like, I don't have to go buy any. But this is really nice. This is really, really nice. This is Elizabeth Mott Tapered blending brush. So it looks really nice. It's really soft too. And you know, that goes, you know, in the crease. You can use it for whatever you want to, but if you want your look to come out looking bomb, you need to know what brushes to use in order to get that perfect eye look that you want. And the last item is an eyeliner, and this is one of those I don't know, I forget what they're called, but it's one of those eyeliners that are like a pencil, but it's like liquid, and it's hard to use on myself, but I find it easy when I work on clients to use this kind of eyeliner pen. So if you work on people, this for me is my go-to for working on other people. Or I mean, it might work for you on yourself. You just have to try it for yourself to see if it works for you. Now we're gonna go to the second bag, which is probably my favorite bag. If they would have put the brush in this bag, then this probably would have had to be my favorite bag. Actually, you know what? Oh, you know what it is. So we're gonna start with this Hemp's lotion. They sent me a Hemp's lotion before, but I think I used it all, or I either gave it to my boyfriend because we both really love this lotion. I actually need to get him some more. He might get lucky and get this one. You never know. If you're watching, Emmett, if I didn't give it to you, I'm sorry, because I really love this. So it's sweet pineapple and honey melon, and it's just like a really tropical sweet smell. And I read the directions, and they said make sure you take a shower or a bath, damp yourself off a little bit, put this on while you're still, you know, damp, and then put on something warm, and then it's gonna, you know, make you really soft, right? It's too hot for that, okay? Putting clothes in the dryer, making sure they hot, and then put it on because the lotion gonna penetrate and make you feel softer. No, thank you. I'm fine the way I am because it's too hot in Houston. Too hot in Houston. So I'll just put it on the regular way I do. Put it on my hands. But you know, I'm known for smelling good all the time. Like, people always tell me, oh my God, you smell so good. I'm like, that is such a compliment. Thank you. Because I don't want to smell like booty or anything else, because no one wants to smell like anything else other than like just beautiful, wonderful smells. And I got this is Sage Cosmetics. Yeah, this is Sage Cosmetics, and it's a nail polish, y'all. When I opened this and I said this was the summer color, this was my summer color. I promise you, this was my summer color. This color is so freaking pretty. Like, I'm gonna have to swatch this on my hand, which is probably dumb because I don't want y'all really looking at my nails, and now that I've said that, y'all probably gonna look at my nails. I'm an esthetician, so I can't really have fake nails anymore, so y'all just gonna have to get with the program. I'm growing out my nails, so whatever. So this is the color. Hold on, you can see it really good. This is the color right here, and I feel like it's such a beautiful color. Like, it's a beautiful orange. Now I will admit it looks a little bit duller outside of the bottle, but I think if you layer it like you're supposed to, it's gonna be really, really pretty. Third product is one product that I am just so excited about and so proud about because I'm broke, so I can't afford every makeup product that I want, which is why I do Ipsy, because they send hair, makeup, skin product, and nails, apparently. So I got my Mercier translucent powder. I am so excited to try this stuff. I don't know what to do with myself. I remember when I used this on one of my clients before, and it made her look so pretty. So I can't wait to look pretty with this too, because like, I've seen nothing but great results with Mercier. Now we're gonna go on to the fourth one. The fourth. This is a conditioner, and it's a, let me see, Scalp Revival Charcoal Peppermint Oil Cooling Jelly Conditioner, and this is Briogeo. Don't laugh at my pronunciations, please. Because, they be sending some wild stuff that I've never heard before. And I'm like, how am I supposed to read this? But I learn, you know. I learn. But from the looks of it, from when I read up on it, it looks like it works pretty good and it's beneficial. But I mean, when they send me stuff like this in Ipsy bags, I kind of don't use it. If I'm working on someone, or if someone's talking about, oh, they need a conditioner. Like sometimes my best friend, he'll need a new conditioner, and I'm like, okay, well, try this, and then if you like it, maybe we can go find it and you can try it. I don't know. Or I'll give something to my boyfriend. Like if it's a cleanser that's I don't really want to use right now because I'm already working with a cleanser, like I already have my perfect cleanser that I like to use, then, you know, I'll just give it to my friends or my brother or my mom. But my mom's more of a Neutrogena girl, so if I get Neutrogena and I don't want to use it, then I'll give it to her. And the last product that I have in my second Ipsy bag is a lipstick. And this lipstick is pretty pretty. This is La Beaute Fatale. And when I looked at it yesterday, I said, okay, this is pretty too. Like, this is more out of my comfort zone. These two bags with the lipsticks that they've sent this time has been really out of my comfort zone. And I feel like that's just a push and a nudge saying, okay, you need to, like, you know, do some lip color, like some popping lip color. So I'm going to try it and I'm going to see how I like it. But this is the packaging. I low-key love it because it's just really freaking simple. Like, just, it's simple. So then you pop it off, and this is the color. This is the color. Oh, you cannot see. Okay, that's the color. Here's the color. So I'm gonna swatch it on my hand so that y'all can see. That's the color right here, and I'm not sure if that's like a purple or if that's a pink, but that's why I'm saying fuchsia. But it, like, I'm confused. I'll look at the lipstick, I'm like, okay, that's like a fuchsia. Then I'll swatch it and it looks really pink, but when I show it on camera it looks like a fuchsia. I'm so confused, like, because I feel like fuchsia is more of like a purple. But I hope you enjoyed this video because that was the last product, and I low-key, like, I kind of want to get a third bag because this is extremely fun. Like, it's already fun opening it, but then when I get to open it and do it and put it on YouTube, like, y'all get to, you know, see what I get and see how excited I get, you know? Make sure you like and subscribe this video. Of course, you know, the subscribe button is going to pop up on this side, or it's going to pop up on this side. And then, you know, the next video, whatever video I decide I want y'all to watch, because, you know, you won't click on it or you won't go over there and watch it, it's going to be on this side or it's going to be on this side. So, also, you know, I still do makeup services. If you still need your makeup done, let me know. Contact me, email me. I'll leave my information down below. Alrighty, everyone, y'all have an amazing day. I hope you enjoyed this video like I said before. And remember, you have to earn your beat face. Peace.